Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable spell check on WhatsApp web for your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to keep your messages error-free. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to activate this helpful feature. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to web.whatsapp.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, you'll see your chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Now, look closely at the left side menu. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on that gear icon to access the settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. In the settings menu, you'll see several options. We're looking for the chats section, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new set of options related to your chat experience. Scroll down the chat settings until you find the spell check option. It should be pretty easy to spot. Once you've found it, simply click the toggle switch next to it to enable spell check. The switch should turn blue, indicating that it's now active. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled spell check on WhatsApp web. From now on, as you type your messages, you'll notice that misspelled words will be underlined, allowing you to correct them easily. This feature is a game changer for those of us who tend to type quickly and make the occasional typo. It's especially useful when you're having important conversations or discussing work-related matters. Remember, while spell check is a fantastic tool, it's always a good idea to give your messages a quick once-over before hitting send. Sometimes context matters more than perfect spelling. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.